Hello and welcome to KennyBlandAuctions.com. Just a short video. This is a nice little small antique 1920s school bell. It's only about 3.5 inches tall, but it has a nice big ringtone to it. On top, it's written the lady's name, Janice C., for Janice Clevenger of Bloomington, Indiana. And it has a wooden handle, metal, with a small cast iron dinger. Again, just a nice little bell. Wanted to do a short video. This is lot number 89, small antique bell, in our September the 17th, 2024 online auction, KennyBlandAuctions.highbid.com. Thanks for viewing.